Welcome back, guys, to this wonderful course. So in this video, we'll be talking about a Figma dashboard, which is what you're looking at. Currently, from our draft tab, I'll just open one of the templates I was working on. This is a food delivery app. As you can see, you can move it from draft to a team project, or you create a new team. So most of all, these Figma functionalities are quite easy to understand. I've moved it to my team project. Now, if I click team project, I'm going to see my food design template there. Get it? It's just there, sitting right there. So that being done, what else are we going to look at? Basically, I will just hover over by the left side. Let's look at one or two things. The community. You can search. This is my profile in the community. Once you click community, you can search plugins, templates, designs, what have you, icons, emojis, creators, and what have you. Okay, now look at this. This is a landing page Figma template. Shows you the descriptions and more designs by this creator. You can also add a comment, or you can like it, or you can buy it if it's a paid version. So you can have a lot of templates. Here is a traveling page template, and it's also paid. So there are a lot of things you can do in this community page. Now, this is a photo editor app. It's also paid, $34. Besides that, I can search for a lot of things. And I mean search free templates, because last three I saw was a paid one. So as you can see, it's going to show you all free templates that are available to you. Also mockups for you to embed your design. So now I'm just going to put free e-learning templates, which is going to pop up with e-learning websites. Yes, look at it. Very, very nice. Studying online is now much easier. This is a very wonderful template, although it's paid. So once you buy it, you have the right to edit it. So here's a futuristic landing page for software as a service, futuristic app. So I'm just going to open that. Now, once that's done loading, basically going to see the designs, the color palette, typography, and all the shapes that are embedded in this file. So we're just going to give this a minute for it to load. Yes, and once it's loaded, we'll just look at what this template has to offer. So basically, why I advise you to go through templates before you start your design, it gives you inspiration. From there, you see some certain ideas that you might use. So as you can see, this is my profile. This recently closed files will show you where all the files that you've been working on. So it's loaded, and this is the thumbnail. Yes, I'm just going to close this, and I'll head over to the home page. In the home page, these are all the menu tabs. You can pause the video and go through them. So if you click the settings, you can see when you click plugin tab, I installed all these plugins. They don't come installed with your Figma account. You have to install them by yourself. And you can see the button to browse plugins in the community. So all these plugins are being showed. I'm yet to try it out. So let's say I'm looking for a HTML plugin. So you can see them. So let's say I'm looking for a Webflow plugin. As you can see, it's going to show you a lot of Webflow plugins. Let's say I'm looking for a React Native plugin. Look at it there, showing you all the React Native plugins you need. So that being said, I'll come and create a new file. As you can see, you create a new design file or a new FigJam file. Then when you click that button, you see our recently closed files. This is a team project. You can edit the description, delete or rename it. So the Explore Community button is below. Once you click it, it takes me back to the community. So this is basically an overview of the first page you meet once you're logged in Figma, which is the dashboard. So we're just trying to go through all the necessary buttons here. Okay, you can star your files. It's going to appear in your favorite files. Do you understand? So that's just it.